Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. As you can see, there's a stack of planners in front of me, so that means we're going to be doing a flip through of my February. So I'm just gonna show you what we're gonna be flipping through, and then I'll get started. Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't know if it's just me. I hate when my elastics are twisted. Okay, so this is my journal. It is a Leuchtturm 1917. It's just a basic one. Then this is becomes what inspires you, and that's a dashboard, and that's my social media. Then we have my meal plan, which is reading in the garden. It is a teacher planner. Then I have exotic borders, and that's my wellness. And my catch-all, which is sketchy florals. And this is the newest addition to my stack. I recently started working on a daily grind. I will show you what that looks like. And then this is basically a goal planner. So you set up your goals and then you go from there. So this is a Lux cover. I do have codes in my description if you guys are interested in purchasing. I appreciate if you use my link and my code. It's Kasha for 10% off, but this is February. So they do have a separate insert of months if you want to purchase it. I just colored a little bit of redness in here, and that was it. This is my February brain dump. I always do those every month, and they might look slightly different from month to month. I'm so sorry. I'm like trying to adjust here. Okay. So there's that. And then this is what the actual guts of the planner look like. So you have a week ahead. And on that page, you have every single day. You have a monthly overview. You also have a week ahead. And then you have dailies. So that's what those look like. I decorated them, obviously. So I have my 10 goals up here. And then you have 3 top moves. You have a schedule right here, which I took out. And then to feel amazing, I will. So that repeats every single day. These stickers are a pet tape that I had. And then this one is a sticker that I just made on my Cricut. So that's what this looks like. So we have week 1. And then week review, which I didn't do. And we have just a random blank page. So because it was blank, I stuck a thing to it. And then I moved to an orange one. So yeah, this is what that looks like. So I used pet tape stickers yet again. These are from Amazon. They are pre-cut, so it makes my life a lot easier. And then now we're into March, and that's the week and month in review, which I didn't do. And on the back, I have some lovely things. This is March, and I have a reel posted on my Instagram of this week, and then of course I have my brain dump. So that is the daily grind, you guys. I am loving this, truly. It is beautiful. It comes with the discs, and they are full, and they're metal, because this is the Lux cover with the thing. It says daily grind on the clip. It is absolutely stunning. This does not go anywhere with me, but it does sit on my desk, and I check in every night with it to like mark off the things that I accomplished. So there's that. So the next one I am going to show you is my social media. This is not one that I film. So here we go. You saw January. So let's go into the February. So this was Lux Winter from the Love Posh, Rang Rang, like these elements, and then Pat Tape for this one. So lots of fun things. This is Winter Blooms from Live Love Posh. I kept it simple, and these are just washi dots that I have. This one is, I think it's Hello Winter. I know for sure it's Live Love Posh, but I don't know which book. I think it is an older book for sure. Then this one is Evergreen from Castatic Plans. She has such a lovely stickers. Then we have Agenda 52, and that's just girls. That's the title of it. I used mostly the peach in there, and I really liked it. And then this one is from Easter Case, and also if you wanted to use my code, it's Kasha for 12% off. I would truly appreciate it. It is called Trust the Seeds, and it is a coffee version of the stickers. So they are like a washi sticker, and you peel them off. They are pre-cut, so that's what they look like. And then that's the currently page. Okay, let's go into my meal plan. So as I told you guys last time, I do not do any dating in here because I'm going to be using it from year to year. So we have this lovely girl from Crafty Planner Queen. These stickers are from Calvin Plan, like the daily florals. And then all of these stickers, I think most of them, are going to be Crafty Planner Queen. And this one is called Velvet Revere. It is one of her kits. It is meant for Valentine's Day, but it also has this vintage vibe that I think is awesome. But yeah, so I planned breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then, like I said, I'm going to be going from year to year in this planner because once I create a year of meals, I think that's going to be pretty decent to just follow. So we have some bento boxes. And obviously, I did a full plan with me for February in one sitting. So all of these spreads and meal plans are in one video if you guys wanted to watch. So same stickers. These are from Crafty Planner Queen. And as you can see, like all those different meals are planned out. And then this one is actually from Planning Press or Planner Press. It's a subscription box that I'm subscribed to, and that was February's. They are a printable subscription. You get like dashboards and other stuff. And then this is my March page, and then March is already in the other planner. So that is my second one. Now let's move to my lovely wellness plan. Here we go. So this is Live Love Posh. It's like the winter one. I think it's Hello Winter or Winter Lore. It's one of those, and it's beautiful, right? So then this is Live Love Posh. I think it's Winter Lux, and then I Love Winter from Calvin Plan. So those are the two sticker books I used to create this. The flowers are Live Love Posh, and then the rest of it is Calvin Plan. I thought I'm gonna mix some like purples and pinks into the flowers so it wouldn't be overwhelmingly red. This is Cultured and Cozy from Crafty Planner Queen. I am part of her $2 Tuesdays. So she gives us printable stickers every Tuesday, and that is one of them. It is absolutely stunning. And what I track is breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, medicine, how I feel, how long I slept, and how much I moved. So this one is actually from Crafty Planner Queen, but also Planner Press. I combined those two and created this spread. The layout and the tracking is still the same. All of them will be. So yeah, this next one is beautifully lined from Live Love Posh. I forgot I have this book, and I've been kind of doing some like revisiting books, and it's so fun. It's like so appropriate for winter time. These florals, I forgot I had them. And then this is from Agenda 52. It's called Joyful Oasis. And I used everything from there, including the checklists. I did cut them down because they were a little too long, But outside of that, I kept everything from that book. So yeah, so that is the wellness planner. And then for my favorite is my catch-all, obviously. So we have my currently page. So let's see. Drinking sparkling water, cooking lots of stews, eating home meals, reading things we cannot say. That was an excellent book, by the way. Watching Blacklist, celebrating Valentine's Day, planting herbs in my arrow garden, planning Valentine's plus lots of meals, and then loving time with friends. So that was that. This was made with Martinez Sticker Company plus Rang Rang, and yeah, that came out really good. I loved it. And then I used the same stickers from Martinez Sticker Company, Mojo Jojo dotted like the speckled boxes, and then Pet Party from Easter Case. I love how this came out. You guys know I love animals, so that this was definitely a great thing to do. Then this one is Winter Allure and Hello Winter combined. They're both from Live Love Posh. They're two separate sticker books, but I combined them, and I think that came out pretty good. So this is a Super Bowl week. We have Toa time. It was a fun like week full of different things, and I used color pens, which I usually don't do. So that was very different. Then we have for Valentine's Day, I didn't go red and pink. I went very pastel. This is from Planner Press. It is their, like I said, subscription box from February. It's very like Paris romantic lovey. So let's see. Oh, this was like the first time we left our doggy alone since like August. So I checked on him on lunchtime. He was fine. I had a long day at work. Toa goes to daycare on Wednesdays. I had a hair appointment, which always feels marvelous. And then we had a very romantic dinner at a restaurant near us, even though it was a snowstorm. The restaurant was absolutely full. But yeah, that's what this came out like. And the files I got because I was a little late to the subscription were PDF. So they didn't have any white edging. So I had to fussy cut everything. And I did it with a girl cut. And I think it worked out pretty well. Then this one is Wildly Chic from Live Love Posh. This makes me smile. It's just so like, I don't know, it just looks like Eastern European kind of, with all of the leopard. Um, I love it. I don't know, like I am Polish, obviously, like I tell everybody. But yeah, I love leopard print. I really do. I don't wear it as often as I probably used to, but I absolutely love it. So, yep. And then we have meal prep, my brother's birthday. Not much outside of that. Like pretty easy week. Um, yeah, nothing too crazy. And then this one is something that I really enjoyed. I did make some changes after I showed you guys. So I added some washi to the edging, and I think that came out super good. So I had a cold. This was Fat Thursday. Um, let's see, my brother's birthday. I did a big meal prep. Yeah, so fun stuff. And that's my currently for March. So I also wanted to show you one thing. So the Planner Press did come with these beautiful inserts, dashboards, I think they're called. So I printed them and then I glued them together so I have double-sided. I think I'm gonna keep these because I love them. I think I love them a lot more than I do Marches. But yeah, look how beautiful they are. Like this is very spring-like to me still. So I'm gonna keep that. Look at that. So yeah, I made like a whole bunch. There's like tags and stuff that you can make with them. So yeah, it is absolutely amazing. See? So many, right? And then that's my vision board back here. If you guys haven't seen my vision board, I highly recommend it. It is so fun. It's huge. So yeah, I love it. So yep, so that is that. So one more planner or actually notebook to go through, and it's my journal. So let's go through it. Okay, so here's February. So I have, I didn't do those two, but I do have 2 socializations with friends, 2 date nights, and home cooked meals. So did all of those. And then I had the girls' dinner, snowstorm, another girls' dinner, Valentine's Day, and my brother's birthday. And Valentine's Day was my best memory of that month. So I am continue to like put big things into my planner like so with just a pen. I'm not using colored. These stickers are from Easter Case. They're just one of those like little, let me see if I can find one. They're like this. So half of them is on washi and half of them is on clear. There's a winter one. Let's see where it is. I used. So this specific, nope, that is not it. I don't know where I put it, you guys. Okay, well, it's missing, but that's where it's from. So all of these, and then this is from Planner Press. And then I added the little February calendar. How cute is that? And I added a girl on top. And then we have a snowstorm, Valentine's Day. So yes, we drove in a storm. Then we have day at home. We're watching Love is Blind. My brother's birthday, we had a lazy day. Fat Thursday. So Polish people celebrate Fat Thursday, and then in United States we celebrate Fat Tuesday. But yes, the Fat Thursday comes prior to the Tuesday, in case you were wondering. And this is my March. I can show you the setup. I haven't done much yet. So yeah, that's what it looks like. These stickers are from Walk in a Forest from Easter Case. These are from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop, and so are these. She makes these yearly stickers that I buy from her. And then, yeah, I started journaling in March, and that is all I have for you guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like it, which spread is your favorite. Do you think I'm crazy for having as many planners as I do? Yeah, I will welcome any comments. So let me know, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a good day.